let's go for a French balayage.
Run the Hair Show.
Episode 3, Special Edition. Style and Color Trophy.
So, where do I start?
L'Oréal Professionnel French Balayage is a two-step technique. First, we have a perfectly blended lightening.
Then we will follow up the second step of the French Balayage with the highlight to neutralize undertone and to add a beautiful shine.
Yeah, because we love shine.
I'm going to show you how to do the money piece.
Why is it so important?
It's the piece that women see, so when I have clients that come to the salon, this is where they go to the bathroom and check their hair. Charlie, can you be my assistant?
Oui, madame.
Oh, gosh, I love this. So, when I start, I pick up a small amount of product on your brush, okay? So we want to be very neat. So this is what we call the bottom of zone 1. Then you continue to paint the front, and I'm going to connect the corner.
I have to remember to go till the end, right?
Yes, your turn.
It's very complicated because I only have 2 hands.
Planchette goes to the side, and then you manipulate with your hands.
Yes, but you have this in the other hand.
Yep.
All right.
So keep contact with the hair, then go up.
What? No. No!
You're ruining her
Yeah, you're ruining
application,
my job.
assistant. Now put this onto, and this actually sticks, and then you can put it onto the planchette.
But that doesn't work with me. Ta-da! That's nice, no?
Voila, not
very
so
proud.
bad.
And I think my job is better than yours.
Actually, I think so too.
Oh!
All right, now that your trial is complete, I have prepared a finished balayage doll head for your next step.
Which is toning.
What's stunning again?
Seriously, after 3 episodes, you still don't know what's toning?
Can I mix it?
Yeah, put a finger here.
Okay.
So it doesn't splash everywhere.
Let me play, please. Okay.
All right.
Finish?
Yes. So you take section by section.
Okay, and you always do zigzag.
Yeah,
Why?
because it puts the same amount of product everywhere.
I love it because you do everything with your hand. I want to try, definitely. Boss Mindu, can I go?
Yes, you can go.
Okay, I'm a bad student, no? And now, le massage. Nice girl. Yeah. That was so hard. I'm not sure you will give me my certificate.
Maybe in the next episode, but it's clear you tried your best.
I gave my best, but I had the best teachers ever. And you over there, please don't try to do it at home. Go to your hair pros. It's better, believe me.
Run the Hair Show. Watch now.